In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, students on PATH get assistance from their school to alleviate some of the challenges they're facing during the COVID-19 crisis. Here's Kian Morgan.
With the country dealing with the COVID-19 pandemic and a nightly curfew until April 8, it is unclear when or if school will reopen by the end of Easter. Before the closure, some schools would have bought food in preparation for the following weeks ahead. But now that students are home, perishables could be left to spoil. It was a situation facing the Old Harbour High School in St. Catherine.
We had some yams, we had Irish potato, we had dasheen, and some of those spoiled.
Principal Linton Weir said after realizing that and hearing the plight of parents facing financial challenges, the school opted to donate the supplies to students on the PATH program.
It is one of those times that none of us would really want to see happening. But it is what it is. Right across the length and breadth of the world, people are being affected by COVID-19. So this morning, we were able to take out all the produce that we would have purchased for our students, and we would have divided it so that our parents and our children can have at least 3 meals for today.
Close to 800 students are on the PATH program. That's about 1/3 of the school population. Principal Weir said a few staff members came in and prepared close to 180 care packages. Items included flour, meat, and ground provision. Mr. Weir said the school had to tap into its own resources because over 300 parents turned up.
We even distributed this morning seasoned chicken because remember we went off the Friday and we would have had produce prepared for the following week. So all the produce that we would have had prepared, it's all the product that we have distributed today.
One parent, Dela Robinson, whose son attends the school, said before the closure, she sold outside the school gate. But now that her only stream of income has been interrupted, times are tough. She was glad for the donation.
I have 5 kids, but one is not a woman, and I have a grandchild who is sick, cannot do anything at all. So after anything I get, I have to give thanks.
Mr. Weir is encouraging other schools with supplies in store to follow suit.
When you look at it close up, all of this have been paid for already, and there's a budget that would have been passed from last year to facilitate all of this. Because here it is, a lot of our children, they are doing online courses right now from home. And if it is that we're providing them with information from home and they're hungry, they're not going to learn on hungry bellies.
With a ray of hope, I'm Kian Morgan.